Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment because missing versions stall progress. Install NodeJS 16 Plus or NET6 and confirm versions. Once done, create an Azure subscription and register a bot channel's registration so you can host later. Next, install the bot framework CLI tools, the Yeoman generator for templates, and the bot framework emulator. Now scaffold a new bot project with the generator. This gives you a working codebase and local debugging entry points to iterate quickly. Now you develop the bot's core behavior. Use the scaffolded templates and implement dialogs for conversation flow. Once done, integrate Lewis for intent or QNA for KB answers, and add middleware for telemetry and error handling. Make sure to wire authentication by setting the Microsoft App ID and password in app settings, JSON, or an environment file. Finally, run locally in the emulator, exercising intents and dialogs to validate responses before you push to Azure. Finish by deploying the bot to Azure App Service and updating the Azure bot channel's registration with the hosting endpoint. Make sure App ID and password are set in configuration. Once deployed, connect channels like web chat or Teams and run full end-to-end tests. If issues appear, check application insights and app service logs to identify exceptions. Once identified, reproduce locally, patch the dialog or auth config, and redeploy. A good troubleshooting tip: recreate the app password if authentication.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.